I love nature. Look how these butterflies are sitting inside of this. That is so pretty to me. You know you have to have good energy when you can just go close up on a butterfly like this and it don't even fly away from you. Look into different butterflies, you guys. Different nature animals, animals of nature mean something. It gives us messages. Look at that. That's so pretty. That is so pretty. Look at this one over here. There's three of them. One right there. And another one over here. It's just flickering his wings. That is so pretty to me. And then you got the one over here on this end over here. He want to be off by himself. I feel you. Ain't that pretty? Oh, let's go around the other side. There's a bunch of them over here too, I see. That's nice. I wish I had these bushes. These little flowers. I see they attract butterflies. Nice. Mm-hmm. Yep. Little baby butterflies. Like I say, you guys, in order for us to turn into this beautiful butterfly, in order for us, any of us, to turn into this beautiful butterfly right here, look at it. We have to go through the stage of the caterpillar in the cocoon. I love nature. I really do. Look at that. I just walked right up on him. He don't do nothing. That means you got good energy. He putting on a show for me right now. Nature brings me peace. If you ain't into nature, get into it. All right, enough of that. Enough of that.